Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and welcome to your social studies class. I am your ma'am Omama, and in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started in yesterday's class, right? Okay, so let's quickly revise what we started in yesterday's class. So, who is going to tell me what does what is environment? Yes, somebody please define environment for me. Yes, okay, yes, Ali, what is environment? Very well done. Everything that surrounds us, right? Whatever we have in our surrounding is our environment. Then there were two types of environment. Can anybody tell me the names of that? One is natural environment, and the second one is man made environment. Very well done. Okay, so tell me, what does natural environment means? Yes, natural environment means something which is created by nature, by God, Allah, right? Excellent. And what does man made environment means? Very well done. Things which are created by humans, which are modified by a man, are called as man made environments. Can anybody tell me, give me some examples of natural environment? Yes. What are the things included in natural environment? Streams, lakes, okay, sea, river, mountains, hills, all recall all types of landforms that we have already discussed. You can include all of those. You can give the examples of those in the natural environment. What were the landforms we discussed? Yes, hurry up. We talked about desert. Yes, what else? Hills, mountains, valleys, plains, and all of these things are natural environment. And what are man-made environment? Can anybody tell me the examples of that? Buildings, schools, hospitals, shopping malls. Very well done. Roads and factories, etc., etc. Okay, so we already discussed that, right? Now I'm going to share the what we will be doing today. We will be doing the exercise of this topic, and that you have already started in yesterday's class. Okay, so before doing the exercise, I'm going to share the screen with you. So in the screen, we discussed this in yesterday's class as well. The things that are included in natural environment and the things which are included in man-made environment, right? So I told you that in the natural environment, in this picture is comprising everything which is natural environment, right? Can you look at the first picture carefully? There is nothing which is created by a human, in right? There are trees which are created by Allah. Then there is water which is created by Allah. There are clouds which are also created by Allah, right? Then there is grass, there are hills. So everything, sky, whatever we can see is all natural. Then look at the next two pictures. They are created by humans, right? So you can see that in the picture on the left hand side, it has water. Well, water is not something which is man made, it's natural. But all other things, the buildings, the all of the huge building which is spread all over the water, it is created by humans. Definitely the skyscraping buildings which are on right side are all created by humans. Then there are roads, there are factories, different machinery. All of these things are created by humans. So they are comprising the man-made environment, right? So now look at your book, page number 27. There are some questions. The very first question says that you are supposed to define what is man-made environment and what is a natural environment. Okay, so I'll be telling you my definition, but I would appreciate yours definition if you would write it in your own words. Let's say the first one, if we talk about the natural environment, you can say that a natural environment is the one which is created by nature, or which is created naturally, or which is created by God, is known as natural environment. And the second one, a man-made environment, is created by people, right, or modified by humans. Got it? Now I'm going to share the screen again with you. There are definitions of natural and man-made environment. You can get the idea from there as well. You can write them as natural environment that comes in its existence by its own naturally, right? Something which happens by its own without interference of humans, mean that there is no interference, no role of humans in that. And when we talk about man-made environment, it is modified by human activities. This means that human modify it, change it with the help of their own activities, their own doings, right? So that is man-made environment. Now I have given you 2 to 3 examples of that. Now you can create your own definition. Hurry up. Are you done? Hurry up. Okay. Now look at the next question. It says that draw lines to show in which environment each thing belongs. There are things and then there are two types of environment. You are supposed to match the things with the type of environment. Let's say on the first there is a house. So house belongs to man-made environment. Excellent. On the second there is water. It is like a valley. So it belongs to natural environment. On the third it's a bridge. So it belongs to man-made environment again, right? On fourth, it's a lake. It again belongs to natural environment. Then there is this factory in which and the smoke is coming out of their chimneys, so it belongs to man-made environment. And the last but not the least is a tree, which again belongs to natural environment. Excellent. Hurry up, do this. Okay, now the last question is very interesting. It says that you are supposed to discuss about one place that you have visited and tell was it natural or man-made, right? Think of any place that you have visited recently. It can be any place, and then think about the things that you have seen over there. Was it natural or it was man-made, right? It can be the combination of both as well, right? Let's say we visit lakes, like Raval Lake, right? So the lake is something which is natural, but all around the sceneries, the different restaurants, the different chairs and boats, all of these things are man-made. So there can be a combination of that as well. But do let me know, do classify the things as this thing is natural and this is man-made, right? So think about anything that you have visited recently. Hurry up. Yes. Okay, yes, let's start with Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. What was natural in that? Sky, trees, excellent. Water, okay. The birds, very well done. Okay, humans, yes, humans are also natural. Okay, now think about the man-made environment. Yes, the boats. Okay, table chairs, yes. Restaurants. Okay, what else? Yes, think about it. Very well done. Okay, class, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. We have finished this topic as well. In tomorrow's class, inshallah, we will be having a small weekly assessment. Do revise what we have covered in this week. Do memorize all of the definitions, revise the exercise questions as well, and do the reading of chapter again as well, because I can give fill in the blanks MCQs from that as well. Okay, so prepare yourself for the assessment. If you have any question, you can ask me before the assessment. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.